Replacing the in-cabin air filter for a 2011 Honda Odyssey EXL. Really straightforward project. Dealership will charge you around $50 for this. My filter I paid I think $12 or $13 on Amazon, and it'll take me maybe 3 or 4 minutes worth of work. Pretty straightforward. Simply open the latch. If your model has the USB connection here, you'll have an extra step in this, but it's pretty straightforward. Simply push on the insides here, and that releases some tabs, which allows your box to drop forward. You do need to be careful if you have anything valuable in here. At the next step, it's going to tilt even further forward and fall to the floor. But basically, at this point, you have on this side a damper that kind of slowly allows the hinge to lower, and then this black or this gray cord. So turn around here to the back. So this is the gray cord right here. You simply push down right there and pull this out, and then right here you have the slow release damper, and this latches into the back. Really straightforward. Next, at this point, you find the in-cabin air filter. There it is, right here, and right here you grab it with your fingers, push it, the tray comes out. As you can see, very, very dirty. Just go ahead and remove the filter. The nice thing about this has airflow arrows pointing down. You can't accidentally put this in backwards. It won't allow it with the clips here. So at this point, it's just a matter of getting the new filter right here. I like these Fram filters that come with carbon, activated carbon, as well as baking soda to help neutralize the scent. Then here you can see the airflow is pointing down, so you want to have that airflow match up with that airflow. So pretty straightforward. You get this to align and to seat correctly until it's nice and flush. Slide it back in until it clicks. At this point, you take that and clip that back in. And then you can connect back in your gray piece. Just a simple, straightforward push in there. And the last piece being the damper. Again, this is kind of got a little piston in it, so what it does is it allows it keeps it from opening anymore, but it also has a slow release. And to close, you just push these back in tight and close it. So that slow release damper is what allows that to slowly open instead of just whacking, dropping really fast. So that's that's the purpose of that. But now you're pretty much done.